Here we go again. Another 3733. This one is a Galaxy. So I guess this would be the 4733. I think. 4. Of course, the information is written the other way. 2009, 2010. So this one is about 12 years old. It's got the older style motor with the conventional windings. It's pretty dusty. This was a trash find. I don't know if it works or not. So we're about to find out. Plug is kind of jacked up here. Jeez, the plug is super jacked up. Okay, here we go. Jeez, I was kind of hoping it wasn't going to work. This stinking thing still works. They probably just threw it out because it wasn't moving a whole lot of air anymore. Unbelievable. Yeah, it's not really moving much air because of all the dust on there. That's outrageous. Okay, the number 2. And the number 3. Yeah, even that high, it's not moving much air. Very weak airflow, but that's just because of all the dust. Let's see what the power draws. I forgot to check. On high, it's drawing 0.81 amps, which is probably because the drag is reduced on the blades. With all that dust on there, it's not grabbing as much air as it should be. The watts is 92, and the power factor is 0.96. Look at those bearings. They're as happy as they were on day one. This one has the hole in the hub, but it's very small. Of course, it would stop in such a manner that we can't see it anymore. Almost looks like the plastic wasn't even molded out quite right. Well, unbelievable. I've been trying to find one of these that doesn't work, and I can't seem to do it. Every time I find one of these in the trash, it always works. So, here we go again, another working box fan. You know, I have to give these things credit for what they are. They do seem to last. And a lot of people are like, they don't last. Well, I mean, they seem to. I don't understand what people are doing that makes them quit. I mean, you find them in this condition and they're still running. This has got a lot of hours on it. It probably was never cleaned, and it still runs. Bearings aren't locked up. You know, compared to those Cam Air ones, the Aerospeed or whatever the heck it is now, those box fans are awful. The bearings are always locking up. At least these motors seem to be pretty well lubricated, for whatever it's worth. Well, if it still wants to work, I'm not going to give up on it, so I guess this is another one that we're going to clean and service and have yet another 3733 around.